Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta GLI Autobahn. Of course, Autobahn is the top of the line trim for the Jetta as well as the GTI. And these are awesome cars. 32594 GLI Autobahn Black Package. So it's a pretty well optioned one. This one's the DSG. You can get them in a manual. You can see the nice red accent lighting. Good amount of rear seat room. Nice, easy to get in and out. But yeah, it's a really nice interior. Oh, it's a different color in there. That's pretty ingenious, actually. Well, that's pretty cool. And sport mode at idle's a little bit higher. We'll drive it in transmission sport mode. Actual driving mode, of course, I'm in sport. I'm a huge fan of the GLI. Always kind of have been. It's basically the same car as the GTI. I will try a little acceleration in normal drive. As you can see, sport mode really holds the revs up pretty high. That's why I really don't like using it all the time. course, the DSG has manual shifting ability. It works great. That's what I've been driving the car in, is manual mode for basically the whole time. God, this car is fantastic. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.